VLOOkup is a way to get data from one sheet into another using a simple formula. So here I have somebody's last name. Their name appears. We actually don't know yet, but we're going to find out in this long list of data here. So what we're going to do is we want to bring in their age from sheet 2 into sheet 1. So I'm going to say equals vLookup. I'm going to grab that first piece of data. This is the data that I'm looking up. I'm going to put a comma. I'm going to highlight both A and B because I want to look up the values in A, and then I want to bring back the values from B, and we're going to see a further example of that in a minute. And then I want to return the second column in that set, so column A and column B, I want to return B, and then I'm going to put in false. So that has found the value, and it's brought in 47, which is the person's age. You can see right here. In my second example, I'm going to take the same last name, but I'm going to pull in a value from sheet 3. So we're going to do equals vLookup. Again, this is a piece of data that I'm going to look up. I'm going to look it up in all 4 of those because I might want to bring in data from either column A, B, C, or D. I can choose whichever one I want. But in order to pull in column D, I need to include column D. And because that's the 4th column over in the data, I'm going to put comma 4, comma false, and close. So that has imported or brought in the value from column D of sheet 3. So the 4th column, it has brought in that data and inserted